how the power of Shopee affiliate marketing can earn 30 to 50,000 monthly as a passive income that you could do without money, without investment, without purchasing a product, without purchasing a service, without purchasing a software like many other YouTubers out there do. Alright, so I have a video actually I've talked about how to get qualified in the Shopee affiliate program and the qualifications, how to sign up step by step. There's a video right here, watch it first before you're going to proceed into this video. We're here at the Shopee dashboard. It's very simple and I'm going to explain you step by step on how are you going to earn it, maximize your profit based on analytics. So the Shopee dashboard is containing a lot of information about your performance weekly, monthly, or a daily basis, right? So let's just say the last 30 days. As you can see, the performance may fluctuate, may be rising, may be flowing. It all is okay because as an affiliate marketer, you don't have a stable income here. That's the disadvantage. But the advantage of affiliate marketing is you have the limitless potential to earn a passive income without any limitations on how much you can earn here. So the clicks represent the people who clicked your special affiliate unique link. So they click that, you earn one click. But the conversions is very different. The conversion only means that they click your product, your affiliate link, then they converted, they add to cart. That is conversion. The conversion rate is is so simple. It actually divides the click to conversion, and conversion rate is 16.7. So totally understandable. The order amount is not your money. It's not yet your money. The order amount only represents how much they ordered from your unique link. Okay. The real money comes from here in estimated payout. This is your commission from the amount of products they purchase. Whether they purchase an aircon or they purchase a refrigerator, that is 1,800, and your commission for that is 68 pesos. And that's the good thing about this Shopee affiliate homepage is you can see your performance real live chart for the last 7 days, for the last 15 days, and that's it. So just experiment a little bit of your analytics. If you're starting out, go to the dashboard and review your performance. The Shopee offer is so simple because this is only Shopee itself recommending specific products for you to market. Now the commission extra is where you market different shops. You don't market your product, you market shops from Shopee. And when you market their shops, you'll get a certain commission different from the product. Commission extra is also located in a Shopee mobile phone. Maybe I could teach you that in the next video, right? So that's just so simple. Now the product offer is where you're offering products. And good news is if you're an affiliate marketer and you got qualified and you're an influencer or something that does reviews, you can actually get the free products from Shopee. You can get a free sample from shop owners or sellers. For example, you want to market this Christmas light, you just need to click that and it's going to load to get you a free sample. That is so amazing. You don't need to purchase any shipping fee. You just need to request the sample, free Shopee sample in Shopee app. So all you need to do is to open your Shopee app, use the QR code, scan it, and it will request to the seller if they're going to approve it or not. So remember, if you want some free sample, just go to product offer and free sample. So you can categorize this in many ways. You can search specific products if you want. You can arrange that from top performing and sell it, or you can do it from according to highest commissions that you can use. Okay, custom link is so simple. We're going to discuss this custom link later. From the conversions is so simple because it only talks about how are people converted, what's the name of the product, what's the picture, and what are their status. Is it pending? Is it still on their cart? Are they still going to purchase that? And how much commission are you going to earn? And the sub ID is actually your identity on where that actually comes from. Is it coming from Facebook? Is it coming from TikTok? So that's why custom link is very important for you to determine what platform did you post your affiliate link. Facebook. What's the group of the Facebook name? For example, buy and sell. Remember, you don't have to put some space because it will mark as invalid. So the purpose of the sub ID and sub ID is to give it a name tag and to determine what's the name of the Facebook group. Buy sell. So it all depends on you. The good thing about this technique is you can track where the orders and traffics are coming from to earn your commission, and you can master that. For example, you're performing well on Facebook, then you post on Facebook. We're performing well on posting affiliate links on YouTube, which I not recommend, then you post. Usually they all have different standards on how you're going to get paid. There are two ways you can receive your commission. One is the tax information, the other one is the verified Shopee, right? So they have different requirements when it comes to their payment processing. Sometimes it takes about 3 to 4 weeks. Usually it takes about a month before you even receive your commission, so just be patient. Most of the sellers have earned their commission from January and they just receive it from February. For February, March, April, etc. So as an affiliate marketer, you're responsible for anything that you do. So make sure you don't violate the Shopee regulations for you to maintain a good integrity, reputation, and not to be out of the Shopee affiliate program. So you must be careful, follow the rules because they have validation in terms of content related social media and others. Is just read it or screenshot it and you'll be on the way. How do you actually earn from Shopee itself? It's so simple. All you have to do is to go to maybe a product offer, and I'm going to offer this one, the belt, the black one. Just copy it. So this is the product. All you have to do is just go to snipping tool in your desktop or your laptop, and you just have to screenshot, then just save it into your PC. Just going to give a brief example. You can copy and paste that like that, and it's going to insert the image. Going to copy paste the title of the product, and you have to put a heading above the title of the product. For example, don't have a belt, no worries. That's just a bad heading, but I'm just going to give you the example. That is called sales copy. And after that, you copy link, you get the link, you copy it, then you paste it. Very simple, and you could do the process over and over again. Also, what's more effective when it comes to marketing is not just copy pasting specific pictures from Shopee, because it's not going to really convert people to actually purchase your product, because that is not your photo. You just copy and paste that. People are going to be skeptic to your products that you're offering to affiliate marketing. So one of the best content strategy on how you're going to market your product in Shopee is to make TikTok videos or Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels, or post it to your stories and share it, or post it to your Facebook page and share it to many groups. And I'm going to give you an example because I made a TikTok video for this specific products, and let me tell in the comment section what you think. So it's a little bit cringe on how I make my TikTok, but I believe I give you some of the example on how you're going to market your product to entertaining videos and post it on TikTok. So make sure your video is engaging, it's very relating, it's simple, and it gives you a call to action, recommended. You don't need to sometimes you need to put some CTA like link in the bio, link in the comment section, or check the description down below to learn more like that. Though that is CTA, I think it's more recommended on this type of video. Let's say, for example, we just posted that video, and there's a this is how I actually do it. Let me give you an example. So I put the name of the product. Put the name of the product here. I put my headline in Filipino. Then I put the price. Then I put the affiliate link. Then what I'm actually going to do is going to share it to a lot of groups, like here, like that, and just I'm going to write something like that, or you're just going to copy paste it and share it to various groups. So most recommended group that I would recommend you is to join 100,000 members group. Share this, and people are going to buy at least a certain percentage, not all of them. Actually. And there's this another technique many affiliate marketers are doing is they're actually downloading a bunch of these videos and go to a website like TikTok downloader online, then post it on YouTube Shorts, they post it on Facebook, they post it on their Reels, Instagrams, Pinterest, etc. Doing it, so they're downloading products, so they're downloading different content from TikTok like this. What they're doing is they're downloading like this video, sending it to YouTube, sending it to Instagram and Facebook Reels, sending it to their stories, sending it or posting it to their Facebook group without even making videos themselves, and just removing the watermark through online website. Now there are billions of marketing strategies that you can use, but one of the most recommended type of marketing is video marketing, making your specific videos, building your brand, building trust from people, and converting a lot of them into your affiliate marketing and earning millions. You need to listen to this advice. Many affiliate marketers are not earning millions, thousands of dollars, and even hundreds because they fail to be consistent. They fail to be passionate at this type of business model. They find it repetitive or not interesting because it's not their passion, it's not their thing. Let me tell you that continuing to work on something like affiliate marketing would be a great way to sustain yourself. It's actually one of the key to many passive income without any investment or money. 5 years ago, it's the best ways to start. But right now, it's the second best way to start. Remember, done is better than perfect. You continue to improve. You continue to build your entrepreneurship skills. You continue to build your winning mindset, and then continue to build a winning mindset. Thank you for watching this video. If you gain any value from this content, hit like, and you can watch other of my videos. Click the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of related affiliate marketing techniques that I would want to actually share for you personally. Thank you and have a great day.